Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Broccoli token. Now the Broccoli token is another CZ dog token. Now this is going to be the fourth CZ dog token video that I post today. There was one called Cleo. There was another one, I'm trying to remember all the names now, Brownie. There's another one called Perry. And now we have Broccoli. So all of those got listed on big central exchanges, including this Broccoli token. It was just announced that Broccoli will be listed on a very big central exchange, or is listed right now on a very big central exchange. So we're going to go over the information on this token. We're going to talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you're going to have to be careful because there's so many Broccoli tokens that just came out within the past hour. Now, the one I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here is going to be the Twitter that I found on, well, actually, they have a CZ Binance status as the Twitter here, so it's not even a legitimate Twitter. I'll just put up the deck screener chart and the there was an Mexc listing announcement. So CZ from Binance here, the CEO at CZ_Binance, he has a Twitter story that he posted here on his X. We'll get to that in a second. He talks about Broccoli. But basically today, on Mexc Global, which is a very big crypto exchange, they listed the Broccoli token is live there now. They have the Perry token, Brownie token, and the other one, the Binance dog token. All of those got listed on there just today, and they are all trending basically in the top 10. Clio is the other one that I was trying to think of. They're all listing in the top 10 here in the Binance Smart Chain section on Deck Screener. Broccoli is trending number 1 right now with $124.4 million 24-hour trade volume, and the token only came out 1 hour ago, which is pretty insane. This token is going bananas. It's up 53,393% and has a market cap of $48 million. So yeah, trending number 1, the Broccoli token. And if you're looking to get it and you don't have an Mexc Global account, it just got listed on Mexc. So I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Broccoli, and then simply just buy the token. Now on Mexc, you could also find all the other dog tokens that I just named, and a lot of those also got listed on WEEX. Now WEEX, I put a QR code in the corner of the screen there, but I also just put a brand new referral code for WEEX down there in the description box, WEEX. That's a very cool new central exchange that you guys should check out if you don't have a WEEX account. A lot of these dog tokens also got listed on WEEX. So right now, it is definitely BNB Memecoin season. BNB is making a comeback, especially with these CZ dog tokens. And I heard they just passed Solana in market cap, I believe. It just happened last night. And yeah, so anyways, on CZ's post here, it says Broccoli story. It says, a year and a half ago, I casually chatted with a friend who owned a real zoo in Dubai. Curious, I asked what dog breed is adapted to the Dubai summer heat. I had no plans to get a dog. Later that evening, my doorbell rang and a young Belgian dog showed up with his own passport, courtesy of the zoo friend. I wanted a name that started with a B and has some green in it, so I named him Broccoli. It is also a blocky sound, like blockchain, a blocky chain. And it says, "You can't get away from crypto, haha." Broccoli's passport said he was 3 months old, and a vet said he was more like 11 months old, given his teeth have grown in. That actually happened with my cat. Somebody, we adopted a cat, and they were like, "Oh, it's a baby." And then when the vet saw it, they're like, "This cat is like a year old already." So I don't know why people do that, but they claim their dogs or cats are younger than they are when they're giving them away or selling them. So it says, "Broccoli, like me, was not properly socialized. He doesn't socialize with other dogs much. Broccoli is scared of everything. If you throw a ball at him, instead of chasing it, he runs away." On top of that, Broccoli was not toilet trained, so that's great too. Broccoli has a lot of energy. Walking doesn't drain enough of his energy, so I bought him a $200 bicycle from Amazon. He jogs on it for an hour, runs without stopping. Broccoli's stamina is very impressive. So basically it just goes over this huge story of Broccoli. It says, "Broccoli is now a strong and confident dog. If you have asked me before last night, I would have never imagined that Broccoli would be a part of the blockchain ecosystem, but here we are. It's never a dull day in crypto. I am just posting my dog's picture and name. I am not issuing a meme coin myself. It's up to the community to do that or not. I will likely interact with a few or more popular meme coins on the Binance Smart Chain. The BNB Foundation may provide rewards for the top memes on the BNB chain, giving LP support to other rewards. The details are still being discussed. More to come." And it says Broccoli is 18 months old now. So there's tons of pictures you can find on CZ's Twitter of this dog at CZ_Binance. So he's basically encouraging people to make a meme coin about this dog. And an hour ago, one of those meme coins came out. It is trending #1 right now. They have been doing some marketing as well on Deck Screener. They have the 500 lightning bolts marketing boost ads button live on there right now. 1 hour, 7 minutes ago, this token was created and has 2,103 pooled BNB in PancakeSwap, which is equivalent to 27,707,000 pooled Broccoli tokens, $2.6 million liquidity pool in PancakeSwap. So go check this token out. Just be aware that there is going to be tons of copycat tokens on the Solana blockchain. I saw a bunch of them. I saw ones on the same chain all coming out. There's so many of these Broccoli-based tokens being listed. But this is appears to be the original one, the one that's doing the best, and the one that just got listed on Mexc Global. So check out the Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Like this video. Make sure you guys check out WEEX as well down there in the description box. Just put a brand new referral link for the WEEX crypto exchange. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto vids. If you want to help support the channel, you can hit that join button, become a member, hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload new token videos. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.